What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today it's going to be a little bit different. I am going to be attempting to do the GTS Roar again. If you guys haven't seen that video, you can look at the link up here and you'll see it. And what I did before was I tried the GTS Roar with a deleted muffler, no resonator. It was basically a straight pipe from the cat. It choked up a lot. And obviously I had a lot of different mods before, and now I have more mods. So now that I have a diverter valve, charge pipe, and a sophisticated catback system, there shouldn't be a problem with the GTS Startup Roar. So I'm gonna code it in, and I'm gonna let it just do its thing for a while. Maybe the car will adapt to it, maybe it won't. I don't know, but what we're gonna do right now is just code it in. So let me share my screen and you can see what I'm doing here. So basically what I'm gonna do is just basically switch the GTS Startup Roar from OEM to on. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and save. Yep. Hit OK. And go back to the maps and flash it. And press here to flash now. And should we get good? Flash. Yep. Flash. So we'll see what it does. I mean, hopefully it turns out okay. I mean, essentially in the perfect world, it should do it. I have all the things for a proper GTS Startup Roar. So we'll see what happens, guys. I'll keep you guys posted. I'm gonna document just how things sound, how my car handles it. What's known on the N20s is that there's a rough idle, and after a warm startup, it tends to choke. So I'll keep y'all updated, and if you have any questions or comments, throw me a comment below. I'll post up another video sometime like in 2 weeks, so that way I can give you my overall review and if I decide to keep it or not. So right now my car is just downloading the latest flash, so once it's done, I will keep y'all updated. So obviously when you flash the first time, it does take a while. When you're flashing little stuff like a GTS Startup Roar or changing your burbos, it takes like less than 10 minutes. And right now, as you can see, I'm recording this video 5 minutes in, and it's done. So right now it's just clearing the codes and it's just finishing it up. Wow, it's not bad. Well, there it is. Thank you, family, for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll update you guys in 2 weeks. So make sure you subscribe and stay notified. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see ya.